Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you a Royaltie Gem update, guys. And I'm super excited to share this with you because I believe that this is literally the only video that you'll ever have to watch again, because if you understand the value of an eyeball, then I'm going to share with you why this is going to be something that's going to change your business, all right? So, with that being said, go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. Also, tick that bell icon so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them automatically right here on the channel. All right, so let's get into today's video. And as you guys know, I'm all about results. So I'm going to start with the results, then I'm going to share with you the updates, and then I'm going to share with you the websites and apps that we're able to show up on, guys. This is sick. All right, so first things first, let's go to the results. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the commissions, okay? Now I'm going to take you back, right? I'm going to be doing this, as I said, guys, I'm going to be showcasing my journey and how I'm doing, you know, how my income is continuing to increase month after month after month, guys. And my team, we're blowing it up right now. All right, so first things first, let's take it back to November, right? I started the end of November. That's when I got my first income. All right, so right here you can see I generated the company 50 bucks, okay? So nothing crazy, right? Then look at what happened once the new updates came in, and even more came in January, so that you'll see why the volume has completely just skyrocketed. All right, so let's take a look at what happened in December. Remember that number, 50. All right, so once it loads, you'll see what the update was. All right, so look at that, guys. It went from 50 to generating $636 right there. That put me at the rank of bronze, right? And then that meant that in the month of December, I got all the way up to where I was making $120 a month. That was going to be my residual. But look what happened in the month of January. Oh, goodness. All right, so we're going to see what happens, and I'll explain this to you guys. I won't get too into detail, but I'll just show you. All right, so the month of January. So I did a video on January 1st, right, which was 8 days ago. Now, when I showed this on that video, this was at 58 bucks, okay? 58 bucks for the month of January. First day of January, already 58 bucks. Now, we're on the 9th of January, and it's $582.90, which means that not only am I getting after it, my team is getting after it because this is team volume. Guys, I'm super excited. Now, I show you these results because this shows you the demand of people who want more eyeballs on their business, because essentially that's what royalty gives to business owners. They give you more eyeballs, right? Because that's really and truthfully, you only need leads and sales. But how do you get leads and sales? You need eyeballs. In other words, impressions. And that's what royalty gives you, the power to be in front of the people that are going to want what you have. All right. So that's the income, but let me real quickly add that up for you, right? So you got the 582.90, and remember it was 636.50. So let me add that up real quick for you. And the reason I'm doing that is because I want to showcase the rank. I said I'm just going to be showcasing my journey. All right, so remember it was 636, right? 636 plus 582.90, right? And then the 50. All right, so check it out. That's $1,268.90. Now, let me go into the back office, and I'm going to go to the compensation plan just real quick. I'm not going to take too long with this. All right, so look at the compensation plan. I'll just real quickly explain it to you. It's real simple. I'm not going to go over the entire thing, but I just want to showcase why this number right here even matters in the first place. All right, so let's go to it, and let's open it up real quick. All right, so give it just a second. That's too much. Okay. All right, so hopefully you guys can see this, but this right here is where I'm at, the rank of silver, which means that I've generated $1,000 in volume. Me and my team have generated $1,000 in volume for the company, which means that, let me see if I can get this better. which means that I make $360 a month currently at the time that you're watching this video. Okay, so last month I was only here, right? And I literally went from here to there in not even a month's time. Guys, this is powerful, and it just shows me the demand and why advertising is so important. People are paying thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars per month to advertise their business. I was literally talking to a business owner, and he literally told me he was investing $15,000 a month in advertising. $15,000 a month to advertise his business. So don't you think if he's using billboards, right, which you can't get any billboard for no less than $2,000 a month, if he's using those types of advertising, obviously if he's spending 15 grand, he's making more than 15 grand, right? But if I can now put him on every iPhone, Android, laptop, and cell phone that come within 6.21 miles of his radius, think about what that does, guys. That allows him to blanket an entire city if he really wanted to, right? So there's so much power in that. But let me get out of this comp plan. Enough with the results. Now let's talk about the update, because that's why you're here, right? All right, so the updates. First things first, let's talk about the range. The range is 1,000 meters to 10,000 meters, okay? 1,000 meters is 10 football fields. 10,000 meters is 100 football fields. Crazy distance, guys. Crazy. All right? So 10,000 meters equals 6.21 miles in every direction. Plain and simple. All right, so no more shipping, which means that there's no more device. Okay? There's no more device. It's called a virtual gem. So that means that you can either make your phone become the gem, or you can just set up your ad literally from your phone and pinpoint any location in the world, which you can see right here. Target anywhere around the world. If that's Iran, that's Alabama, that's Pakistan, wherever you want to target, you can literally target there from where you're standing, which is absolutely ridiculous, guys. Ridiculous. All right, so let's go. All right, so here we go. No more broken or lost gems. So when you had a physical device, you had the possibility of losing that device or breaking that device. So no more for that, because there's no more device. All right, no more waiting for a device activation. You don't have to wait for device activation. As soon as you make your purchase by clicking the link down below in the description, you're automatically, all you have to do is just download the app. And as soon as you download the app, you're literally going to log in, and your virtual gems will be there for you to set up your ads. Literally that simple. All right, so no more Bluetooth. This one is a big one. Okay, so in the past, a person had to have on their Bluetooth for you to even be able to market to them. That's no more, no longer, and that is a game changer, because that means that we are literally going to show up on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, CNN, Forbes. Those are just a few. Those are just a few that I'm naming. You're literally going to be able to show up right there on those apps. All right, so no first and last month. So in the past, you had to pay the first and the last month, and you had to pay the first and the last month plus the activation plus the shipping, right? Because they had to ship it out. Well, guess what? There's no more device. So no more shipping fee and no more first and last. So whatever price you see, you just add on the activation fee, which is 30 bucks, whichever price, and that's it, right? And then you're just going to pay monthly every single 30 days just to get your impressions that you get, whichever amount of impressions you go with. All right, so I kind of already talked about this. Part one is you can use your phone ad location, right? And let me show you on the picture what that means. Once it pops back up right now, Facebook is a little, okay, so you see this right here, it says set ad location to my smartphone. So you can literally move this way, and that means that wherever your phone's location is, that's where you're going to be targeting. That's the vicinity, okay? Now, if you turn that off, like you see I have it off, that means I can go and target anywhere in the world, and I can hit them up to 6.21 miles in every direction. So that means I'm going to be hitting multiple businesses in a 6-mile radius, which is ridiculous. It is sick, guys. I'm still mind blown. I'm still like, this is crazy. This is crazy. And this is literally proprietary. It really is. There's no one else doing this stuff. Real talk. All right, so that's what you can do with that. Now, so those were the updates, guys. Those were the updates on what you can do. But let's talk about the websites and apps that you're going to be able to show up on. This is ridiculous. Look at this, guys. These are top sites. Now, this isn't all of them. There's thousands of apps and websites out there that we're able to show up on. Remember, we show up on laptops, tablets, and cell phones. Laptops, tablets, and cell phones. So we can show up anywhere, any device. All right, so here we go. CNN. Guys, do you know how many people are on CNN every single day on their cell phones or on those websites? A ton of people. Do you know that there's 2 billion people right on Facebook that log in every single day? So you know people are on their phone just surfing on Facebook, and boom, your ad is going to pop up right there on Facebook as a sponsored ad. Just like that. So imagine somebody just seeing something like, let's just say, for example, they see, do you want to raise on your job? Right? How many people is that going to hit? Do you know 95% of people work jobs? So if they see something like that, 9 times out of 10, they're going to click through. Even if they don't buy right there and then, they're going to click through. And guess what? We're going to be able to retarget them, drop a cookie right on their device. And every single time, they're just going to keep seeing your message over and over and over again. Eventually, they're going to be like, okay, I got to see what's going on here. That's how advertising works. The person who is seen the most is the person who wins. So in essence, the person who controls the eyeballs is the person who makes the most amount of money. Plain and simple. All right, so Instagram, another big site. People are on that all day as well. YouTube, people are always watching YouTube videos. I'm gonna be honest with you. I do that, right? I watch YouTube videos, right? I'm on Facebook, but I'm more on YouTube than I am on Facebook, right? Yahoo, another big network. Twitter, another big network. And there's many, many more, thousands of apps. But these are big, okay? And the one that's not on here right now, but it is one of the apps, is Forbes. We're literally able to show up on Forbes. Do you know how many people go on that website every single day? Same with the rest of these websites that you can see right here. A ton of different people. So let me paint the picture for you. You're walking, right? Let's just say you're in New York, right? You're just walking, and literally as you're walking, you are literally a walking billboard. You're literally a walking billboard because now your advertisement, your business, your brand is showing up on everyone's laptop, cell phone, and tablets, on iPhone too, right? Don't leave that one out. On iPhone and Android. That's every device, guys. Every device that your business is going to show up on, or your music is going to show up on, or your clothing line is going to show up on. There is literally nothing that I've seen out there that is like this. Just plain and simple, guys. So what I want to do, guys, is I want to invite you to click the link down below in the description if you see the value and what this can do for your business. Now, I'm not going to say that this is going to just automatically get you sales overnight. No, I'm not saying that, because there's 2 parts to this. See, in business, you need 2 things. Leads and you need sales. But what has to happen before you get those things? You got to have the eyeballs. So for the people who are new, this is a game changer for you. If you're just getting in business, right? You're starting your business out, and maybe your leader gave you some training and you're doing it, but you're not able to get leads every single day. Well, with this, you're always going to have somebody looking at your business because of what? You're showing up on their phone and you're a walking billboard, and your ads are just being advertised. So guys, it's a game changer. And if this is something that you see value in, because I love to share value, I don't want to waste your time with things. All right. So if you see value in it, there's a link down below. All you have to do is click on that link. It's going to take you to the website. You can literally make your purchase right there for how many impressions you want to receive every single month, right? Very affordable. And this is just, whoo, guys, this is next level. And I'm excited. My income is growing. My team's income is growing. And 2019 has been a blessing already, guys. Already. All right. So with that being said, hopefully you got some value from this video. And if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, Also, make sure you smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. All right, so with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign off this video right now. Peace.